The United States is witnessing what could be seen as its most sensational trial. For the very first time, a former US president who is also seeking a re-election this year is standing a criminal trial. Now, on the first day of Trump's hush money trial, prosecution accused the former president of breaking the law and corrupting the 2016 election by covering up sexual encounters with adult movie star Stormy Daniels. The prosecution said that Trump engaged in a multi-layered conspiracy of fraud, lies and cover-ups. The defense team delivered its opening statement saying Trump was cloaked in innocence. As prosecutors presented the case against him, the former US president called it a very sad day.
But a thing like that, and a thing like what's going on right here should never be happening. It's a very, very sad day in America, I can tell you that. Thank you very much.
Following the opening statements, the first witness to take the stand was former National Enquirer publisher David Pecker. The publisher testified about his alleged role in a scheme to suppress negative information about the Republican leader ahead of the 2016 election. Pecker is expected to return to the stand on Tuesday since his interactions with Trump have not come under the ambit of questioning yet. Cross-examination with those testifying is likely to take place later, while the entire trial is expected to last up to 6 weeks at least. Trial is set to feature a slew of witnesses as well. From the prosecution side, the case is expected to see adult movie star Stormy Daniels and Trump's former aide turned foe Michael Cohen take the stand. Trump has said he also plans to testify here. After day one of the trial, Trump attacked Michael Cohen. Listen to this.
As you know, Cohen is a lawyer, represented a lot of people over the years. Now, I'm not the only one. And wasn't very good in a lot of ways in terms of his representation. But he represented a lot of people. But he puts in an invoice or whatever, a bill, and they pay and they call it a legal expense. I got indicted for that.
Trump faces up to 34 counts of falsifying business records to cover up $130,000 payment made to buy Stormy Daniels' silence about a sexual relationship she says she had with him. The former president has pleaded not guilty to all charges and has repeatedly called the trial a witch hunt, flouting gag orders. Trump can be imprisoned up to 4 years if convicted, although a fine or probation is more likely as per analysts. A unanimous verdict will be required to convict Trump, who has been ordered by the judge to attend each day of the trial. Our correspondent Susan Tehrani explains further on this, on how the trial may affect Trump's campaigning for the 2024 presidential elections. Listen to this.
The former president will have to attend court every single day except for Wednesdays and the weekends, which will limit his ability to campaign, notably in those important battleground states. This could be a problem for his campaign, as he will have to miss out on key opportunities to connect with voters. So the Trump campaign will have to rely more heavily on surrogates, such as potential vice presidential or cabinet picks, to campaign on his behalf. Now, the former president's legal troubles have so far been beneficial for fundraising efforts, with his campaign raising tens and millions of dollars from angry supporters. And polls have shown that a conviction could be a game changer in one way or the other for the former president, with many voters saying that they would not vote for him if he were found guilty. However, Trump's base remains loyal, and he is still very competitive in national polls.